Hi, my name is Spencer, founder of Synapse Trading. Right, today I'm here at my house with my fellow trainer, Crypto JH, who is a crypto expert. So recently we started a free Facebook group, right, to build a community of traders and investors in Bitcoin, right? And we actually grew to around a few thousand people. And one of the most common questions that we get, is regarding Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin a bubble, right? Is it a scam? Is it a bubble? Is it something that is real? Is it a lot of long-term potential? So today I invited the crypto expert here, right? He has made almost 100 times return on his crypto investments, right? So what do you think, right? Is it a bubble, or is it something that's going to be here for the long term?
Right. That said, right, I think that potentially we are sitting at the tip of the early stages of a bubble, because if you look at it, right, there's also three main characteristics of a bubble. First, there's this elevated usage of debt, right? So for example, like leverage trading tools like that utilize that actually can cause the formation of a bubble. The second thing is also the higher risk of lending and borrowing behaviors, as you can see from the housing bubble, where there's actually lending of money for people with like a high credit risk. So the last thing that we take note for bubble is actually there's this huge kind of market media coverage over the issue. So I think for now, right, Bitcoin, we can see that there's a high media coverage, and recently they launched the futures for Bitcoin, right, to be listed on the CME as well as CBOE. And I think that actually would sort of expedite the process of it being a bubble. But that said, I still feel that Bitcoin is still underpriced, and there's like room of opportunity to go in there. And also not only that, there's also a lot of coins that we can look at going into. Like for example, I highly recommend coins like Ethereum and Litecoin and Ripple. Those coins I feel are still undervalued at the current moment, right? So Spencer, what do you think?
Well, the way I see it, I kind of share your sentiments, right? The reason why Bitcoin has gone up so much is because everyone knows that blockchain is a big disruptive technology that's going to disrupt many industries, right? It's something that's going to be very, very big, right, in the next at least 10 years or so, right? Something like the tech, the way that the internet revolutionized the whole tech industry, right? But the thing is, because many people don't know how to invest into the blockchain, the only way is through Bitcoin, right? And then because of all the media hype, so Bitcoin actually rose to a very somewhat bubbly exponential price increase. So in that sense, I feel that Bitcoin might be a bit bubbly, right? But what happens is probably it will correct, fluctuate. As the market cap increases, it will stabilize over the long term, right? So in the long term, it's actually still very undervalued, although in the short term it is quite bubbly, right? And also there are many other investments besides Bitcoin. If you want to invest in crypto assets like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ripple, there's like Monero, many different types of coins that you actually can invest in, right? So of course what we try to help people is to teach them how to analyze these coins, to find the undervalued coins that have long-term opportunities, right? As well as like how to time your entries and exits, right? So I think that is very important when you want to come into this big crypto asset market, because this is where you really can like have huge investment returns, right? Stock markets, I used to do stocks. It is a very mature market now, and the stocks are all at all-time high. I mean, if you get in now, there's really not much you can make on the upside, But crypto assets, it is really the start of something that's big, right? So, to sum up this video, right, I hope you have a better understanding of this whole world of like cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, right? If you'd like to know more, we'd like to invite you to join our free Facebook group, right? We actually have a community of a few thousand people that we regularly share like daily analysis and tips on trading, investing in cryptocurrencies, right? So it's totally free to join, right? So if you are keen, we invite you to join our community, right? So that's it. We'll see you on the inside.